Many beauty artists film their best work on a phone, but what if I tell you there is a small camera that can make your videos look super professional and it fits in your pocket? This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a must-have for every beauty artist. What makes it so special? Let me show you today. Hi guys, I'm Olga Yakovleva. All information in the video is subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This is an advanced kit for content creator. It includes a camera and all the important accessories for professional video and audio. On the box you can see the picture of the device, the name, some technical info and the full list of what comes in the combo. So, what's inside? We have many manuals, a sticker and a card with QR codes. One side takes you to the DJI app and the other side takes you to the DJI forum with participants from all over the world. In an extra box there is a protective case. And a compact small carry bag made from a very nice soft material. Inside the bag we have the battery handle, the DJI Mark II, the mini tripod, and the handle that connects the tripod with camera and makes the camera longer if you need a wider grip. An extra white angel lens, a Type-C charging cable, a windscreen for the microphone to reduce wind noise when filming outside, and a magnet for attaching the mic. And of course the camera itself. Look how tiny and compact it is. It feels very light and the matte body is super pleasant to touch. The most important thing here is how compact this device. It weighs only 179 grams. This is really great for beauty artists because we always can film content and do live streams. This pocket camera helps us work more comfortably, faster, with better quality. It's also perfect to recording reels and shorts of clients and models and start working very quickly. In the settings, you can choose the speed and how smooth it works. The camera shoots 4K at 120 frames per second. It has a touchscreen, one button, and you can start recording right away. Osmo Pocket 3 has a 2-inch rotating touchscreen that lets you film for different platforms. You can film horizontally for YouTube and vertically for Instagram. When you turn the screen to the side horizontal, the camera turns on. If you turn it vertically, it will either turn off or switch to vertical shooting. You can also set how the camera turns off by rotating the screen or by holding the record button. When the camera turns off, the lens goes inside, so it doesn't get damaged or scratched during transport. The set also includes a special case where you can put the camera for protection. If you set the camera to lock on you, it will follow your face while you move, thanks to the face tracker function. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 works great at any time of day, and it also has slow motion. The camera has very good 3-axis stabilization, so you can get nice shots while walking. What's really convenient for live streams and calls is that you can connect the Osmo Pocket 3 to your computer and use it as a webcam. You can see yourself on the screen. I've done a lot of live streams with my students and took part as a speaker in online conferences. Believe me, it's super comfortable. The camera will follow your face and adjust to the light. The price of our full kit is about $600. Important, you need to buy a memory card separately for this camera. The battery lasts about 1 hour and 40 minutes. A full charge takes about 30 minutes. Our set has an extra battery and you can film in about 4 hours without charging. Guys, let's make a quick summary. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo gives you long work time with an extra battery handle, good sound with a mic too, and very comfortable filming. It's a great device for beauty artists who want to film in professional content with high quality video, both vertical reels and horizontal videos for training and reviews. Osmo Pocket 3 has a good stabilization and the face tracking function, so the camera keeps you in the center of the frame while you move. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.